are you
Hello.
from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Okay. Are you like an actress?
Yes, I'm a model, actress, a singer, dancer, gymnast.
Oh,
Joke,
what a
I'm just
very
kidding. No,
talented person are you?
I'm just a
Okay, okay.
normal human being here in the Philippines. How about you? Where are you
Yeah.
from?
Right now I'm in Pakistan, but I live in India.
Oh, nice. Nice
Are
to
you a
hear
singer? You
you.
have a very good microphone.
Thank you. I just to so you can hear me well.
Oh, I see, I see.
I
Well,
can sing,
thank you
but
for
I'm not a
putting
good singer.
effort in that.
Oh, you're welcome. You wanna match?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. Yeah.
Sure.
All right. Are you gonna sing?
If you want me to, I'm not a good singer.
All right, that's
But
fine.
you can
I'm
but
sure
you can request a song if you want to. Do you like me to
I'm
play a
sure you
song?
have the talent because you have like oh, I see, I see. Which part are you in the Philippines, by the way, lady?
In Las Piñas City.
Okay, okay. Where is that? Manila? Is that Manila?
Yes, Manila. Part
I
of
see, I
Metro
see.
Manila, yes. Thank
Your
you,
eyes are
Ali.
great. You know, it's like your eyes are brown. Like what do you call that one? Yeah, yeah. I see, I
Yes.
see, I see. Traffic pa din ba sa
Filipino.
Manila?
Hype ka. Sabi na ng IG Filipino yan. Akala ko talaga Indiano.
Ano to si ano, marami din siyang followers, oh.
Teka, saan ka po?
Taga ano ako, taga Bohol ako. Half ako, half.
Kaya pala, half.
Oo.
May anak pagka Bombay.
Oo. Tapos ngayon, nagawa kong ano, content yung dito nang nagpa-prank ko.
Okay. Ano yan? Screenshot, naka-record ka nun.
Oo, naka-record.
Okay. Hello, Lina. Welcome here. Good
Para kang
afternoon.
ano, Nautica, yung mga nasali sa mga beauty queen. Na ano.
Ano yan? Saan mo siya in-upload sa Blue app?
Sa dito, tsaka sa Blue App, oh.
Half ka ba't ka nakakakita? Hindi ko magets.
Bisaya yung joke na yun, ano. Bisaya yun, oh.
Yung half ka ba't ka nakakakita?
Oo, but half ka. Half sa Bisaya is yung parang hindi malinaw yung paningin mo.
Okay. Parang salitang
Oo.
Bisaya.
Oo, salitang Bisaya.
Okay.
Half. Oo. Malakas to si ano, kasi naka 11 streak na siya, oh.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Meron ka na 11 wins, ano, yung straight.
Naka 11 wins na ako?
O, tingnan mo, nakikita mo yan eh.
Oh, yan. Win times. Okay.